haven't had a reggae band in a while actually here in Easy Rock Plugged In. It's very refreshing, very fun, very good vibes. Your journey began as a show band, covering reggae versions of popular hits. But how did these early experiences shape your identity as a band?
Nakatulong yung pagko-cover namin ng mga popular song tapos ginagawa namin siyang reggae. Actually, nag-start kami. Gusto lang namin kopyahin yung mga contemporary songs talaga, yung mga pop songs. Kaso, syempre, hindi namin magaya yung mismong tunog. Kaya ginagawa namin reggae version.
Oh!
Yes. Tapos eventually, nung napansin namin na, ay, kaya pala namin ibahin
Reggae talaga?
mag-reggae. Nagsulat kami ng mga kanta na originals. Yan po.
So, reggae wasn't your original vibe, would we say? Parang ganun.
Yes po.
Oo, so nagpa-pop, cover songs kayo ng pop artists. Yun.
Yes po.
Like what?
Ayun. Yun, by the way, ito po kasi yung line-up po ngayon ng mga bandmates. Bago po sila mga bago na.
Wala na yung iba.
Kami yung original ni John. So, bali kaming dalawa ni John. Nung kasama namin yung mga luma, nagbabar kami. Tumutugtog kami sa mga bar bilang show band. Yun yung mga nakakasama namin. So, mga tinutugtog namin, kahit nung mga 90s, mga pop song, 80s pop song, up to present, binabago lang namin talaga
Ginagawa niyo lang reggae?
Yes po.
Until eventually, kaya naman pala natin mag-reggae. What if
Yes.
reggae band na lang talaga tayo?
Opo, ganun po.
Okay. Love that. Hey, thanks for watching.
For more exclusive videos and
Artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.